Design is one of the lines that smartphone brands often highlight in order to attract consumer attention. In this case, usually the thinner the smartphone, the more popular it is because it gives a premium impression when held. In addition, a more compact size also does not take up much space when used. Well, this smartphone recommendation is a row of cell phones with the thinnest body thickness in the world. In fact, some of them have a thickness of just under 5 millimeters. The first product you can look at is the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate. Officially launched in September 2024, this phone with 3 screen folds has an area of 10.2 inches and uses a tri-foldable LTPO OLED panel. When unfolded, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate has dimensions of 156.7 by 219 millimeters, with a body thickness of 3.6 millimeters to 4.8 millimeters. However, when folded, the phone has a thicker body up to 12.8 millimeters. The Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate is a premium phone for the high-end as it is very expensive. Main screen, 10.2 inches, tri-foldable LTPO OLED, 1B colors, 90 Hz refresh rate. Cover screen, 6.4 inches or 7.9 inches. Chipset, Kirin 9U10, 7 nanometer fabrication. Rear camera, 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel periscope telephoto, 12 megapixel ultra-wide. Front camera, 8 megapixels. Battery, 5600 mAh, 66 watt wired, and 50 watt wireless. Next, there is the Honor Magic V3, which is also a foldable phone. Launching in July 2024, this phone has a body thickness of 4.35 millimeters to 4.4 millimeters when opened. Such a thin body does make the Honor Magic V3 look very fragile. However, you don't need to worry because this phone has IPX8 certification and the screen is protected by King Kong Rhinoceros. The Honor Magic V3 stands out in terms of camera specifications that support laser AF, OIS, and is capable of 3.5 times optical zoom. In the marketplace, the Honor Magic V3 is sold from $25 million. Main screen, 7.92 inches, foldable LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, 120 Hz refresh rate. Cover screen, 6.43-inch, LTPO OLED, 1B colors, refresh rate, 120 Hz, Dolby Vision. Chipset, Snapdragon 8, Gen 3, 4 nanometer fabrication. Rear camera, 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, 40 megapixel ultra-wide. Front camera, 20 megapixels and 20 megapixels for the cover camera. Battery, 5150 mAh, 66 watt wired and 50 watt wireless. Going down to the previous generation is the Honor Magic V2, which was launched in July 2023. These two smartphones have differences in terms of design, body durability, engine performance, and camera specifications. From all these lines, of course, the Honor Magic V3 series is superior to the Honor Magic V2. However, specifically on the size of the Honor Magic V2, it is just as thin with a body thickness of 4.7 millimeters to 4.8 millimeters. If interested, the Honor Magic V2 is priced from $19.7 million. Main screen, 7.92 inches, foldable LTPO OLED, 1B colors, HDR10+, 120 Hz refresh rate. Cover screen, 6.43 inches, LTPO OLED, 1B colors, refresh rate, 120 Hz, HDR10+. Chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 4 nanometer fabrication. Rear camera, 50 megapixel wide, 20 megapixel telephoto, 40 megapixel ultra-wide. Front camera, 16 megapixels. Battery, 5000 mAh, 66 watt wired. From the Xiaomi brand, there is the Mix Fold 4 series, which has a body thickness of 4.6 millimeters when opened. This folding phone was first launched in July 2024, targeting high-end consumers who prioritize design and practicality. Not only for watching movies or photography, the large screen also makes the Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 reliable for making presentations, doing complex video edits, and more. Some excellent features are embedded in this product, such as being waterproof thanks to IPX8 certification, using aluminum material on the frame, capable of 8K at 24 FPS resolution video recording, and many others. You can find Xiaomi Mix Fold 4 in Indonesia at a price of 24 million. Main screen, 7.98 inches, foldable LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision. Cover screen, 6.56-inch, LTPO AMOLED, 68B colors, refresh rate 120 Hz, HDR10+, Dolby Vision. Chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 4 nanometer fabrication. Rear camera, 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel telephoto, 10 megapixel telephoto periscope, and 12 megapixel ultra-wide. Front camera, 16 megapixels, and 16 megapixels for the cover camera. Battery, 5100 mAh, 66 watt wired, and 50 watt wireless. Vivo X Fold 3 launched since April 2024. The phone comes with dimensions of 160 by 142.7 millimeters, with a body thickness of 4.7 millimeters when the position is opened. Meanwhile, when the position is closed, the dimensions change to 160 by 72.7 millimeters, with a body thickness of 10.2 millimeters. Vivo X Fold 3 is a flagship-class smartphone that has high specifications on all fronts. The most prominent specifications of this HP are the high-resolution camera, supports fast charging up to 80 watt, and uses carbon fiber hinge material. The price of Vivo X Fold 3 is around 20.9 million. Main screen, 8.03 inches, foldable LTPO AMOLED, 1B colors, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, Dolby Vision. Cover screen, 6.53-inch, AMOLED, refresh rate, 120 Hz, HDR10+, Dolby Vision. Chipset, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, 4 nanometer fabrication. Rear camera, 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel telephoto, 50 megapixel ultra-wide. Front camera, 32 megapixels and 32 megapixels for the cover camera. Battery, 5500 mAh, 80 watt wired.